Hey everyone, it's Linda with ScrapChica Studio, and I'm bringing you this video. I am in Pink Scrapper 99, Carlene, in her March tag swap, and the theme was St. Patrick's Day. And if you check out her video, it's a tag and it says Lucky Me. It's really cute, and this is my tag that I am going to be sending out tomorrow, Carlene. And here it is. It says, "Kiss me, I'm Irish." And I made this little tear bear here and made this little banner and used Cosmo Cricut, like the little alphabet tiles that they have. They're just stickers. Use some Prima flowers, punches, embroidery floss, a lot of bling. That I made off my Cricut cartridge, lyrical letters, and look at that cute little face. And on the back, it's a pocket, and I still just need to add my tag with my info. And I love the paper. The paper is by Karen Foster, and there's you know, like the 4-leaf clover, and this one is more like a Celtic, like the Celtic nut, I believe. I did a Martha Stewart punch and another like light green pattern paper, and my camera is not focusing. Come on. So I'm moving around too much. Here's some Prima bling, and I used Prima flowers and just centered them with bling. And here's the other ones. So I've been invaded by little tear bears. They're so cute. And I really love how it came out. So there's that. And then I wanted to show you guys another little project that I've been working on, and it is a little swivel clasp charm thingy here. I got this idea off Anna Macy. I hope I did not butcher your name there, Anna. I'm sorry if I did, but let me see if my camera will focus. There it goes. I bet you guys know who this is for. But if you see, it has this cute little owl up there. It has a glass beaded chili pepper. It has some purple buttons. Not only does she love owls, she also loves the color purple. Cute little purple Maya Road bird there. I did my own little like beaded charm in 3 shades of purple. There's these little teardrop little, I don't know what they are. They're just teardrops. And then I have this little flower, and it has a light colored purple piece of bling in the middle. And here is the Mexican flag, and more little buttons. And I really love how these came out, Anna, and you are so right. I am in like bead heaven and going like bead and charm crazy, man. Like I'm whoa, another hobby. Whoa. So there's this one, and that one is for you know who. And then this one I made for myself because I love the color blue. I'm personalizing them more, and I already have some ideas on some ones that I will be doing, and I will be sharing those with you. But here's mine. I've had this little charm forever, and it says "My Scrapbook" with a little heart. I also put a little blue bird on mine, and I have little blue buttons. I did my own little beaded charms here, and I have the word Mexico on there, and the little dog that you see here as the charm, it is like a little bull terrier, and my mom had a bull terrier and her name was Lupita, and so I put that on there just as a remembrance of my mom and how much I miss her. So that's that one, and I'm going to be making more. Anna, I really thank you for showing your charms because they were awesome. I really love them, and I have asked her, I private messaged her about me doing a tutorial on how my take on them, and she said sure. So look out for a tutorial that I will be doing on these, and once you start, she's right, you're gonna get addicted. So that's what I've been up to, and Carlene, those will be on their way in the mail tomorrow. So I hope you guys are having a nice night, and I will see y'all later. Adios.